mean, you cannot fix someone and if you're broken, correct? So you have to fix yourself first.
Welcome to another episode of Unstoppable You NLP Success Journeys. I'm your host, June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer and a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach. In this podcast, we uncover the extraordinary stories of transformation powered by neurolinguistic programming. Today, we're diving deep into one life-changing journey that started with a drive for excellence and being the best. Imagine flipping the script and discovering a version of yourself that's unstoppable. That's the power of NLP, and that's what we're exploring today. Now, allow me to introduce our guest for this evening. With 30 years of experience in all facets of human resources and administration, Coach Diana joined our NLP program shortly after the pandemic. Driven by long-standing interest in it since high school when she first learned about it. Then, after many years, she finally came across my post, got in touch, and the rest, as they say, is history. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Coach Diana Enriquez. Coach, can you take us back to the moment when everything changed in your life? Ano yung parang breaking point or wall that you were facing during that time?
Um, that time, kasi parang I was thinking, well, I was not, when I decided to join your class that time, I was actually um parang sort of nasa crossroads. Should I be resigning or what? No matter what age you are naman kasi you always have this we always experience this crisis in your life, diba? So what do I want to do now? So what's next? So that's it. I think what I shared during that time was it's about the work, okay? But as we go along, okay, doon sa what's this, sa training or sa klase natin, it's just that there's one technique there in NLP
Hmm.
that we actually did. That's I think that's the timeline,
Hmm.
timeline therapy, something like that. So actually because I was thinking it's actually about my profession, it's actually about my work. Pero hindi pala siya yon. Meron siyang mas malalim na issue.
Yeah.
Okay, parang ganun. So when we did the timeline therapy, I think yun yung pinaka parang nag-open yung I don't know, it's like something like a box na it actually solve or resolve the trauma that you have experienced when you were still very, very, very young. Yeah.
Nung time na yon, ano ba yung parang I mean the trauma that you were facing when you were young? What were the thoughts, coach, that were running through your mind that time, no? That made you decide na this is for you?
I mean the NLP or
Yeah.
the therapy that we did.
The program, I mean the
The
program mismo,
program
coach.
program first kasi actually the first encounter ko with NLP coach is yung I think I did mention to you when I was still in high school or college. I saw this book. It's about neurolinguistic programming. So I got curious, what is it all about? And then eventually, kasi, high school, I wasn't very good in English. So parang I was thinking, hindi ko rin masyado maintindihan. Di ba? So parang that's why I think that's post-pandemic. When
Hmm.
I saw your post, I saw, oh, this is it. Ito yung na-encounter ko many, many years ago. So I would like to check, ano ba talaga yung neurolinguistic programming? So yun, because I think, okay, ako, even though people look at me as someone na, oh, okay, siya sa work, she's an, okay person, but, deep inside, you have your own crisis, you have your own problem, you have your own trauma. And I was thinking that time, maybe this one could really help me resolve yung mga issues that I have in the past.
I remember the time that we did a clarity call, and then you were enrolling for your work, 'di ba? Career pa yung plan mo nung time na yon for
Yes,
your
yes.
career.
Oo,
And then
oo,
I remembered, coach, na during our first day mismo, No, yung during our first day, after our first day, you realize that you had to do it for yourself, coach, no?
Yes, that's true. Oh, I mean, you cannot fix someone and if you're broken, correct? So you have to fix yourself first.
Can we become more effective leaders, no? If tayo mismo, ang dami pa natin kailangan ayusin. And we thought already na okay na tayo, but in reality, ang dami palang mga pabigat sa buhay natin that has been putting us down.
Yes, actually, Doc, parang yung experience ko, no, sometimes if you have some issues or conflict sa personal life mo, nasa-channel mo din siya sa mga kasamaan mo sa work mo eh.
Mm.
Because sometimes, yeah, magkakaiba lang silang mukha. Pero somehow the personality, pag na-encounter mo tong tao na to, nati-trigger ka. Parang ganon. Kasi meron kang issues. Parang ganon.
Everything that's happening to us, coach, are just reminder to make us better. So,
Mhm.
yung mga triggers natin sa labas is just a reflection na, uy, ito yung ayusin mo, no?
True. True. True yan.
Ayusin mo in your life. Kasi kung hindi mo maayos-ayos yan, paulit-ulit na mangyayari sa buhay mo, coach.
Correct. It's just like a cycle. And then eventually you will, completely, get tired, exhausted. Baka maging bitter ka pa sa life, di ba? So,
Coach, was
oo.
there a specific NLP tool or technique that immediately, no, natutunan mo siya, nagbago yung perspective mo, coach?
Actually, coach, parang, ano ba? Um, we did a timeline therapy, um, I think that's sub-modality. You have to change the pattern, correct?
Yes, no? Yes, sa
Oo.
modalities,
So,
yun.
yeah, parang ganun. So, parang, the good thing about is, parang, uh, it helps, it helps you remove yung mga, negative pattern that you have in life. So, pero hindi naman siya something, coach, na pag natutunan mo yung technique, okay na, you're good na forever. 'Di ba? Hindi naman siya gano'n. So, bumabalik ka pa rin paminsan-minsan, nagre-relapse ka pa rin, and then but the good thing about it, it's because you already know the different techniques. Okay, so you get to go back there to go back to that technique, and then you have to talk to yourself. Okay, I have to do this. Meron pa tayong mga ginawa before what's this, yung anchoring,
Yeah,
something like
correct.
that. Yeah, yeah. So a lot of things. Actually, it's a combination of everything,
I see.
a
So,
little of everything. Mm-mm.
pero for you, yung pinaka-significant talaga, yung timeline therapy,
Opo.
coach.
Yes. Mm-mm. Mm-mm.
Kumbaga yan, that was the time that you were able to clear up, no? You clear up yourself talaga, coach.
Oo. Kasi when we did that technique, coach, hindi ko naman ine-expect na gano'n siya kalalim, eh.
Mm.
Parang alam mo 'yun, yung relationship mo with your mom. So parang you were able to fix it without going through yung ano ng drama, confrontation, parang gano'n. Hindi, wala ng gano'n. Parang, you helped me, of course, when we did that, therapy or that technique. You helped me to, reflect or realize na, okay, this is it. This is really the problem. And I think I believe na-fix siya na walang masyadong drama sa buhay,
Yeah,
parang gano'n. Kasi at the end of the day, ako lang naman 'to, eh, 'di ba? Ako rin yung makaka-resolve, correct?
exactly.
Oo.
Maganda kasi sa program natin, coach, is that you get to be empowered. No, ikaw yung
Mm,
kumbaga ikaw
yes.
yung tutulong sa sarili mo, ikaw then yung magde-decide to level
Mhm,
up your life already.
correct po, ayun po.
Now, coach, can you describe the moment when you felt the breakthrough? Ano yung na-feel mo during that time? Yung na-feel mo na nagbabago na yung buhay mo and everything became parang different already in your life. Can you describe it to us?
Siguro yung ano po, coach, yung, siguro you become more confident, okay? And then, ako kasi parang I have learned to accept na, um ang life kasi hindi naman siya smooth sailing, eh. And then you become more positive, and then, yung perspective mo in life actually changed, and then you would, realize na parang, things happen for a reason. Tapos 'pag may mga na-encounter kang, conflict, hindi mo kailangang mag-dwell doon.
Mm.
Because, at the end of the day, you understand na hindi naman siya talaga permanent, it's just temporary. And then very important kasi, Doc, I coach yung ano, eh, yung how you think about things. Kasi parang yung from being negative, nag-evolve ka na into more positive person, parang ganon. Yung pattern kung paano ka mag-isip, kasi yun nakatulong talaga siya.
Now, after experiencing your own transformation, coach, what changes did you see in your personal and professional life?
Professional, I think, well, I'm happy now where I am now, no? And I believe I'm doing great with my job. Sa personal life naman, it's siguro hindi na ako masyadong grumpy o hindi na masyadong, I don't know. I mean, kung ano yung attitude ko before sa work, no? How I manage the team back then, I think medyo mas positive na ako ngayon sa mga kasamahan ko sa work.
Kasi perception is projection. No? So
Correct.
whatever you think about, you also project it outside. So if you
Yes, yes.
think more on the positive side, so at least mas maganda din yung dynamics in your coach and working. Now, coach,
Mm-mm.
how has your transformation inspired or impacted the people around you?
Um, that one, parang hindi ako yata parang siguro kung magkakaroon ng chance, baka mas maganda sila ang sumagot doon para sa akin, ano. Pero ako naman siguro it's more of, I think, yeah, I think maybe may changes naman. Yeah.
I mean,
Siyempre, pag ako tinanong mo, sasabihin ko maganda, di ba? Oh.
so how about let's say for your mother, no? Kasi that has been one thing that you shared before. Kamusta naman yung relationship niyo ngayon, coach?
Okay naman po siya, coach. Okay.
That's
Yeah.
good. Now, coach, if
Mm-mm.
you could go back and give advice to the version of yourself who was struggling dati, no? Dati. Ano yung sasabihin mo sa kanya, coach?
Siguro ano, parang don't be too hard on yourself. Things happen for a reason. Tapos wag masyadong maging bitter. Parang don't project something na hindi naman ikaw. Kasi sometimes before kasi pinoproject ko na I'm okay, I'm good, I'm
Mm.
happy, I'm confident. But deep inside, hindi. Because meron kang mga personal issues. And eventually kasi nagmamanifest din naman
Yeah.
siya, Doc, eh. So parang, and then of course, if you need help, don't be shy to ask for help. So parang ganun, if you need to, improve yourself, it's also good that you invest. Kasi hindi ka naman pwede mag-improve ng basta nakaupo ka lang sa house, nakaiga ka lang sa
Yeah.
bed mo, parang ganyan. If you really need to invest, okay, which is actually, it's a good thing. Kailangan mo mag-invest talaga para sa sarili mo para magkaroon ka din ng improvement.
Ang galing.
Kailangan meron kang din gagawing action. Hindi
Yes.
pwedeng isip lang, pangarap lang, basa-basa lang, parang ganyan. Oo.
Galing. I agree.
Oo.
Action talaga. No, ay yung mga kumbaga those of you who really are flying in our program are kumbaga you've installed the habit of action taking. No?
Mm.
Take action lang. Kahit pa let's say you don't get the results, take action ulit, no?
Mm, mm.
Now, coach, if you could summarize your journey in one sentence, what would it be, coach? And bakit?
Um, Journey, I think it's much better now. Hindi siya smooth, but at least you know na how to navigate things or how to navigate in life. So parang ganon. You already know the technique, you already know how um, to ano ba? Parang wag mo siya labanan, parang ganon. Ganon siya.
No,
Hindi siya smooth sailing, Doc. Basta you just learn how to navigate things.
learn how to navigate, no? Learn how to navigate.
Yeah. Yes po.
Now, what's one powerful belief or mantra you now live by thanks to NLP, coach?
Enjoy life.
I agree.
Oh.
For anyone who's watching or listening to our program this evening who feels stuck right now, ano yung masasabi mo sa kanila, coach?
Um, do something, okay? Don't be stuck, okay? Take actions. And again, yun nga, mag-invest ka para sa sarili mo because you need that. Kung meron ka mang dapat paggastusan o pag-investan, dapat yan yung sarili mo.
Hmm,
Kasi no one will take care of you except yourself, di ba?
I agree.
And you cannot help other people if you yourself, you have problems also.
Yeah.
So you have to fix yourself.
Parang we cannot give what we do not have, no? We cannot give
Correct
what
po.
we do not have. And that's so amazing, coach, that We've seen your transformation right now. Kumbaga ang saya-saya mo na, no, sa company mo
Yeah.
ngayon, and how are you also in your company right now, Coach?
Um, uh, Generally speaking, happy po ako where I am now. I feel grateful doon sa mga big boss ko, yung management. Of course, may mga problema. Kaya lang again, nandiyan na yan eh. Hindi mo na siya ma-avoid. Again, kung the only thing that you can do is how are you going to approach it?
Yeah.
Okay? Yung perspective mo, paano yung magiging, how are you going to react doon sa situation? Parang ganon.
Yan. So, no, how are you going to react? No, kasi
Yes po.
sa journey natin, nakikita mo naman sa GC natin, no, na hindi naman nauubos yung problema natin diyan.
Oo, oo.
So, maganda lang kasi we have the support, and also we give each other kumbaga the tools, no? We help each other out. The community is always there for you. You just
Yes po.
maximize me, maximize the community, and
Mm,
whatever,
mm.
kumbaga kung may mga needs ka when it comes to training, so nandiyan naman
Oo.
tayo, no?
Kaya nga, actually, Doc, grateful nga kami kasi parang even if walang masyado parang you're always there sa GC, always reminding us, everybody doon sa GC na, oh, tapos pag may mga new idea, sinishare mo din siya doon. So this is not something like parang sort of business na, oh, after mo matapos sa training ko, okay, magkalimutan na tayo. Hindi, meron ka pa talagang mga parang reminders and then may mga follow-ups pa din. Yun.
Kasi I always believe, Coach, that your success is my success, eh. And
Mm.
if you don't use it, you lose it, di ba? Parang hindi mo na ma-maximize din. Sayang, it's not really the certification kasi that I'm after sa inyo lahat, Coach, eh. If you kumbaga notice, more on the transformation yung priority ko sa inyo, no? That after the program, you come out better individuals, kumbaga mas mabilis yung nakukuha yung gusto nyo. And I feel
Oo,
kasi, Coach, yung support din kasi yung very important sa atin, eh. Hindi natin kaya na tayo-tayo lang, even for me. No, until now,
yeah,
I
correct po.
feel that I need support din, eh, towards my goals, eh. The more that
Mm.
umakyat tayo, dapat may support tayo going there. Once again, let me introduce myself. I'm Coach June Acevedo. I'm a certified neurolinguistic programming master trainer and a mindset mastery and transformational leadership coach. I've helped thousands gain clarity in their life and transform the lives of more than 100 individuals through our neurolinguistic programming certification program, and help them become transformative leaders in their life and in others by equipping them with powerful tools that they can use to overcome all their emotional and mental struggles and have laser focus on achieving the life that they want. Allow me to help you break through your mental and emotional barriers, develop unshakable confidence, and master high performance strategies so you can scale your business, influence with impact, and achieve unstoppable success using powerful tools in neurolinguistic programming, timeline therapy, and hypnotherapy. If you're ready to level up, let's schedule a quick one-on-one clarity session. You never know, that session might be the one that will change your life. Send me a message and let's book that clarity session.